I'm Robert Reiser from Wilevco, and we have booth number 3015 in the West Hall at IBIE this year. Wilevco provides coating, marking, and batter mixing equipment to the bakery industry. We've been working hard transforming the company, reinvesting in how we support customers with both equipment and expertise, and we're really excited to show you what we have. We will be featuring a complete Texas toast line. We've been doing a lot of work in this space, and we'll be showing butter or fat melting, mixing, and coating with our spinning disc applicator. The applicator has an amazing ability to apply evenly and completely with less material, getting full coverage at less cost, even with particulate like herb flakes or pepper. We'll also have a grilled cheese or panini line with bread denesting, conveying, and both flat top grilling for a grilled cheese style finish or grill marking for paninis. You can also see batter mixing and applications for French toast, oilers for pizza crusts, and scrape surface heat exchangers for heating and cooling coatings, glazes, or slurries. So Wilevco, booth 3015, straight ahead as you enter the West Hall.